Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. As you can see here, we've got a Triumph Thunderbird Light-bar. Okay, this particular light bar is available on its own. Okay, or you can have an option of lights. This one here is a Wagner's style. This one here is basically if you've got a screen, flat back. This one here is an LED light, as you can see. The LED, deeper base, a lot brighter, and uses a lot less power. Now you've also got your conventional light here, which is basically what you'd use. If you look at the back of these, this is the old-fashioned high-low type of light, okay? And this is your Harley-Davidson light you'd use on a bagger, you know, like a touring bike, you know, nice big round lens. Now, that doesn't stick back far either, as you can see, the mounting's at the back. This particular one, as you can see, the mounting a fair way forwards, so you would have an issue with spotlights on this particular bar. So available in black as well. You know, we can powder coat this and do your black lights as well. But optional switch kit. This basically replaces your thing on the bars, you know, that holds your brake on or your clutch. This is a Harley one, but obviously a Jack one as well. The Kiriakin kit, very good. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.